Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making fluff butter slime. So let's start. Now we need 30 ml of clear glue which I have already took. Now we pour the glue into the bowl. Add 1 squid of peel powder which I have already took in the spoon. Now we take 2 spoons of activator and add it to the bowl. Now we mix. Let's skip this part. Now the slime is ready. Now we'll pour some color of our choice. I have added my color and mixed it well. Now your slime is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.